Ghost your optometrist today and go to lingoeyewear.com.
No!
It's still kind of fresh, but you know what's fresher? These 5 stylish prescription glasses I tried on from lingoeyewear.com. They saved me the hassle of getting an appointment, paying for that appointment, and dealing with the pushy mouth breather salesperson.
His name is Pete, and he has a deviated septum.
Uh-huh. Lingo Eyewear makes it super easy to buy glasses with their free in-home try-on program and nifty virtual try-on tool. And I can just send them a pic of my prescription or enter it online. No more trips to the optometrist if I don't know my prescription. I can get it in a snap with their innovative Lingo Eyewear app available via the internet. Now, the optometrist can't hold your prescription hostage. Click now to see it in action.
Those glasses aren't better than what I got.
He'll be fine. He's just in denial.
No.
And yes, Lingo glasses are way better. Same premium quality or better as I got in your office, but half the cost. The Lingo Eyewear app uses your computer and phone to read your prescription like this. Download the app and hold your glasses to the screen. Tilt up, tilt down, hold a card up to your forehead for size reference, and voila! They know your eye prescription and the frames that will fit your face. No eye doctor necessary.
No one wants to get glasses from the internet.
Still in denial.
No, I'm not.
Now anger, but that's understandable. Now that you've used the Lingo Eyewear app to find your prescription, go to lingoeyewear.com and select your frames. Their virtual try-on lets you record yourself and try on hundreds of frames without ever setting foot in the eye doctor's office. See? Glasses are seen as a medical necessity, but they should be an expression of who you are. With lingoeyewear.com, you can skip the big prices and the emotional stress of going to the eye doctor. Easily get your prescription with their awesome Lingo Eyewear app and pick out 5 pairs of glasses to try on for 5 days, completely free. Blue light lenses to help with digital eye strain and free shipping? Please and thank you. Click now.
Son of a glasses! It's so bright!
Yeah, they have prescription sunglasses too.
Ah!
Seeing something like broken glasses would have given me anxiety because the traditional way of getting eyewear is crazy expensive, but Lingo saves you hundreds of dollars and has a 60-day, no questions asked return policy. Who wants to spend $300 plus on one pair of glasses you felt pressured into getting in the first place because the nagging salesperson kept hovering around buzzing in your ear, and now you look like a librarian, and not the sexy kind either. At lingoeyewear.com, their premium quality lenses are free, and they have stylish frames at prices you can afford. And they have this amazing high-tech app that lets you get your current prescription for free.
I can see you're gonna need a little more convincing.
Okay. Free lenses, free shipping, free exchanges, and free returns? Why isn't the whole world using Lingo Eyewear right now? Oh, hey!
Bob.
Right. Oh, I like your glasses.
Thanks. You paid too much for them.
If you want a better way to buy glasses, go to lingoeyewear.com and do a virtual try-on to find a pair that fits you and your budget.
That does sound awesome.
Their awesome app will even measure your current prescription from your glasses for free.
Enjoy all your stops!
That's not his floor. Find your perfect pair on lingoeyewear.com with a virtual try-on today.
I've accepted Lingo Eyewear beats buying glasses from an eye doctor like me, so I got my own pair as well.
Looking good.
Thanks.
Click now and go to lingoeyewear.com. And don't worry, I'll still get my eye health checkup from you.
We could probably go.
Oh, no, sorry, it's rude to be the first one to end a conversation. So, go on, click away.
Throw caution to the wind. Just give her a fire off.
Seriously, we'd like to enjoy our evening.
Let that one finger do the walking and the talking. Boom.